In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your ManyChat account. If you no longer need your ManyChat account and you want to remove it completely, this process is very straightforward. Just keep in mind that deleting your account is permanent, which means all associated data and bots connected to that account will be erased as well. So before you go ahead, make sure you're absolutely certain that you no longer need anything stored inside the account. To begin, open ManyChat and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside the platform, look for the settings area. This is where ManyChat keeps the main account and workspace controls, including the option to remove your account. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account before continuing, especially if you manage more than one. After you've opened settings, go to the menu on the left-hand side and select account. This section contains the core details and account level options you'll need. When you click into account, you may see general information related to your profile and account preferences. Next, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. The delete option is usually placed near the bottom because it's considered a serious action and is intentionally separated from the more common settings. Once you reach the bottom, click delete account. At this point, ManyChat will show a confirmation prompt. This is the final checkpoint before the account is permanently removed. Read the prompt carefully so you understand exactly what will be deleted. If you're ready to proceed, confirm the deletion. Once confirmed, your ManyChat account will be permanently erased along with all associated data and bots connected to it. Because this action cannot usually be undone, it's a good idea to be completely sure before you confirm. If there's anything you may want later, handle that before finishing the deletion process. And that's it. That's how to delete your ManyChat account from the settings menu. If you're following along, just move carefully through each screen, verify that you're deleting the correct account, and then confirm only when you're certain you want everything removed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.